Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into MyWorkDrive. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up the preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap in there and type in MyWorkDrive login since we're going to log in and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. Let's tap there. It may take a while. And there you go. Now you'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. Let's type in our username. And at this very second field, you can type in your password that is associated with the account. And if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There is an option that says forgot your password in blue lettering. You can simply tap in there and it will help you through. And if you do not have an account yet, you can simply tap in that option that literally says click here. You can just click there and to register for free to make a new account. Since we have already typed in our credentials, all we got to do is tap in that blue button that says log in and you'll be logged into your MyWorkDrive account. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.